Hi, we are on Module 2, Train Law, under Easy Way to Understand Income and Business Taxation. According to Wikipedia, Edgardo Angara was a Filipino politician who served as the President of the Senate of the Philippines from 1993 to 1995. He was also the Senator from 1987 to 1998 and then served as Secretary of Agriculture from 1999 to 2001. He served as the Senate again from 2001 to 2013. He was born on September 24, 1934 and died on May 13, 2018. He was the one who was sponsoring the bill of Train Law on September 23, 2017. What is Train Law? Train Law means tax reform for acceleration and inclusion law. The Public Act RA number 10960 is based on Senate Bill number 1592, which consolidates 31 Senate bills and 3 House bills and 3 Senate resolutions. Train law is to maintain fiscal discipline and adhering to the true principles of taxation. True principles of taxation should be fairness, simplicity, and efficiency. These taxes are only the basis where the government could get funds or budgets that can be used for facilitating the needs of the society, whether national or local needs. It is also a product of public hearings, pre-BICAM conference meetings, technical working group meetings, and bicameral conference meetings. According to Edgardo Angara, Train Law is a more precise, manageable, and easy to understand and acquire a more friendly way to pay our taxes. Taxes made, whether received from employers, professionals, or businesses, are important to the government. Without it, there will be a problem to our economy. Also, according to him, the result is a very comprehensive and ambitious tax reform, which reduced the income tax of 99% of individual taxpayers without inquiring the government's capability to finance its ambitious build programs and other worthy projects like building Marawi and upgrading our defense and police forces, among others. Train law has the ability to create a new wealth and see to its fair distribution. Train law also, the Senate version of train tax reform for acceleration and inclusion, started with building a team, the theme of social justice, which its moral arc and its dominant purpose. Train law also has the simplifies the tax code to create the environment to expand the tax base and makes payment easier. Train law addresses the following. Number 1, bracket creep on income tax. Number 2, tax relief for public and private sector employees by raising the annual income tax exemption and the ceiling for the 13-month and other monetary benefits. Number 3 is issue on paying the right tax for the self-employed and professional. Number 4, building not only the country's physical infrastructure but also its human infrastructure. According to Wikipedia, President Rodrigo Duterte, also known as Digong and Rodi, is a Filipino politician who is the 16th and incumbent President of the Philippines and the first from Mindanao to hold the office. He is the chairperson of PDP Laban and ruling political party in the Philippines, a lawyer by profession, and finished his law proper at San Beda College of Law. He was born in March 23, 1945 in Maasin City, Davao. He became president on June 30, 2016. On December 19, 2017, President Rodrigo Duterte has signed into law RA 10963, otherwise known as the Tax Reform for Acceleration and Inclusion or Train Law, which amended 69 sections of the National Internal Revenue Code. As amended, created 8 new sections and repealed 3 sections. According to him, Train law is a major breakthrough in the legislative history. It will not only break this trend but provide for additional resources that we will use to fund the social and economic infrastructure that will benefit the poor Filipino people. There are 17 features of train law. Number 1 is the personal income tax. Number 2 is the tax on passive income tax. Number 3 is fringe benefits. Number 4 is optional standard deduction. Number 5 is filing of ITR. Number 6 is the estate tax. Number 7, donor's tax. Number 8, value-added tax. Number 9 is the cigarette income tax. Number 10, petroleum income tax. Number 11, automobile excise tax. Number 12, tax on cosmetic measure. Number 13 is the sweetened beverage tax. Number 14 is the excise tax on mineral product. Number 15, documentary stamp tax. Number 16, administrative measure. Number 17, repealed provision on income tax exemption and value-added tax exemption. Remember, we are going to use new train law, since it was already started and implemented last year of January 2018. Your analysis is needed here because if you will not listen carefully, your computation will be misleading. You need to listen on the basic so that the result will be 100% correct. Taxation in the Philippines is a little bit high compared to other countries. Hence, we know that this happened because of the economy we have at present. Our countries or other countries had lower tax because their economy risen up and continue to flourish. Taxation in the Philippines are managed by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. The taxes that we pay are used for the needs of the Filipino people. Education, infrastructure, medicine, medical support, agriculture, jobs, etc. are the needs of the Filipino people and provided for with the help of the taxes that we pay from our government. Taxes are paid by individual and the businesses here in the Philippines. Train law is a challenge for us. On a positive side, this law will help Filipino people to continue rising up our economy. That's the end of our Module 2 on train law. Good luck!